Hello, I am Olga and she's my classmate Marisa. We collaborate in order to talk about Scatterplot and we made this fantastic PowerPoint. Let's take a look. What is a Scatterplot? Scatterplot is a graph of a collection of ordered pairs x and y. They are used to analyze patterns in bivariate data. The graph looks like a bunch of dots, but some of the graphs are a general shape or move in a general direction. It shows how two variables relate to each other by showing how closely the data points fit to a line. What does it consist of? A scatterplot consists of an x-axis and a y-axis and a series of dots. As you can see on the graph, each dot represents one observation from a dataset with its position on the plot determined by the x and y value of the observation. The next page shows that patterns of data are described in terms of four factors: linearity, slope, strength, unusual features like clusters, scatterplot in the lower left-hand corner, gaps, graph below these words, and outliers, picture in the lower right-hand corner. For example, this scatterplot is non-linear with a negative slope. The relationship between the x and y variables is strong. There is one unusual feature, an outlier in the upper right-hand corner. If the data points are close to the line of best fit, it's said to have strong correlation. So, on the first and second graph, we see a weak correlation, positive and negative. On the other hand, the third and fourth scatterplot show us a strong correlation, positive and negative. Regarding correlation, we could say that if the x-coordinates and the y-coordinates both increase, then it is positive correlation. This means that both are going up and they are related. On the contrary, if the x-coordinates and the y-coordinates have one increasing and one decreasing, then it is negative correlation. This means that one is going up and one is going down, making a downhill graph. This means the two are related as opposites. And finally, if there seems to be no pattern on the points look scattered, then it's no correlation. This means the two are not related. To sum up, this type of analysis aim is to plot data points in the coordinate plane and interpret scatterplots. Here an example. Describe the relationship between time spent on homework and time spent watching TV. As you can see on the graph, there is a linear trend and it is decreasing. Therefore, time spent on homework and time spent watching TV have a negative correlation. To conclude, the last example describes the relationship of vehicle sales all over the years. In the next scatterplot, we could say that trend appears linear. It is increasing and it shows that there is a positive correlation of vehicle sales over the years. And that's it. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.